Vacuum cleaner being good. No kitties. Well, cranky bitch.
Oh, he's there.
There we go. And she realizes the machine is on the go.
What's in the bedroom? Jesus.